Guys, there are many different situations where we wanted to provide our channels, YouTube channels, access to someone else so that they can manage our YouTube channel on the behalf of us, or they can just simply view the data that how my YouTube channel is doing, right? So as I told you, there are many different situations. Like, you have hired a person who is responsible to upload and publish all the videos. You might have hired the person who is responsible for the engagement part, like commenting and all. And maybe you have hired a marketing agency, and that marketing agency might need your YouTube channel's access in order to examine all the data that how your channel is doing, right? So there are many different situations and different types of roles we wanted to provide, right? Let's say I just want to provide view access to a marketing company or marketing agency who can just view the data of my YouTube channel. They can't do anything or can't do any kind of changes into my YouTube channel, right? So how we can provide these access to those persons or to those responsible users, and that's what I'm going to teach you in this particular video. I'm going to show you how you can provide access to your YouTube channel, and there are multiple types of accesses that you can use in order to grow your YouTube channel with the help of multiple persons, right? So let's directly jump into my YouTube studio and I'll show you how you can provide accesses. So guys, as you can see, I have logged in into my demo YouTube channel, which is MF Digital Marketing Training, right? Now, let's say I want to provide this channel's access to someone else. So how I can do that? The first option is like I can provide them the email ID and the password with which is associated with this particular YouTube channel, so that they can directly log in into my YouTube channel. But if I'm providing the email ID and the password, that means they'll be able to do everything like I can do. They can uh, publish the videos, they can edit the videos, they can even delete the videos, and they can even delete the channel as well. And this is very unsecure, right? Because you are just simply providing your own account to someone else. And these days YouTube is like an asset for people, because they are earning money out of these YouTube channels. They are getting clients, they are getting leads out of these YouTube channels, right? So in order to safely provide the access to your YouTube channel, you need to go to the settings option here. When you click on the settings option, you need to go to the permissions, right? The fourth option, which is permissions. And when you click here, you will be able to see the owner of this channel. And the owner of this channel is this email ID. Now you might want to add multiple email ID. As I told you, you might want to add multiple users. So for that, you need to click on this invite button. When you click on this invite button, you need to enter the email address, and here you need to add the basically you need to select the access, which kind of access you want to provide, like manager access, editor limited, subtitle editor, viewer, and viewer limited. So these are the options available, right? And the top one is manager access, who will be able to view everything, every data, who will be able to manage your YouTube channel's permissions, go live, create and edit and delete the content even as well, right? So if you are giving manager access to someone, that means they'll be able to uh, publish the video, they'll be able to edit, they'll be able to delete the content as well. They'll be not able to delete the channel only, right? So you're in this case, if you are providing manager access, this means your channel is totally secure, right? Because they'll be not able to delete the channel, they'll be just able to tweak your content and even delete the content. After this, we have editor access. In access, the user will be able to view every data, they'll be able to go live, they'll be able to create and edit content, but can't manage permissions and delete content. So if you are providing editor access, they'll be not able to delete the content and they'll be not able to manage the permissions, right? And then we do have editor limited. Here everything is same, but the editor, basically the user whom you have provided editor limited access, they'll be not able to see the revenue data, right? So what is the basically what is the amount you are earning or amount you're getting from your YouTube channel, they'll be not able to see. Then we do have subtitle editor. So there are many YouTubers who add subtitles manually. They don't use YouTube's automatic subtitling. They provide subtitle by themselves. So there's a specific access type for the subtitle editors whom you can provide this type of accesses. Basically, if you have hired a person who is for responsible for subtitling for your YouTube channel, you can provide them this subtitle editor access, and they'll be able to add and remove and edit the subtitles and can't view anything else. So they'll be just able to do their thing with the subtitling, right? Then we do have viewer access. So let's say you just want to provide uh, the access where the user will be able to see all the data, all the information on your YouTube channel, but they'll be not able to do anything. Like they'll be not able to tweak anything, they'll be not able to edit, publish or delete, nothing, right? Just they'll be able to view your YouTube channel's backend data, right? And that is viewer access. Now we do have one more type of viewer access, and that is viewer limited. So here everything will be same, just the user will not able to see the revenue data again, right? So these are the different types of accesses you can provide to the respective users. You just need to enter the email ID of that person whom you want to send the invite. They'll get the invitation on their YouTube channel, on their Gmail. They just need to accept the invitation and they'll be able to get the access, right? So provide the email ID, select the access type, and just hit the done button. And again you'll be able you need to enter the password, re-enter the password, so that YouTube can verify that this is the real person who is adding or who is providing access to their YouTube channel, right? So I hope you got the point. Let me show you a little bit more over here. Let's say I'm providing one account, this account's access to my another YouTube channel. I mean, not my to another account, right? So I'm providing manager access. As you can see, I've added the email and then the manager access. If I click the done button, here you'll be able to see that the manager has been added, pending invitation. And when I click save, it will ask me to re-verify, and if I click proceed, I need to enter the password, right? Once I enter the password, the invitation will send to my another Gmail, and from there I need to just accept the invitation and I'll be able to become the manager of this particular YouTube channel. So this is how you can provide different types of accesses to different types of users. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you like this video, you can subscribe the channel, you can like this video and share this video with your needy friends who want to learn YouTube marketing. And let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.